Èmi ni Ọba JIMOH Adele FAGBOHUN IKUGBAMOLA ADELADUN 1 onilukogun of ILUKOGUN Igbesa.
Address delivered by the Governor of Ogun State, His Excellency Prince Abdulazeez CON, at the official installation and presentation of staff of office to Oba JIMOH Adele FAGBOHUN as the onilukogun of ILUKOGUN Ado-Ota local government area, held on Tuesday, 8 April 2025.
Gómìnà wa Ọmọọba Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún ti ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn, wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa ní ọ̀pá àṣẹ. Ohun tá à ń fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba pọ̀, à ń fẹ́ ilé ìwé, à ń fẹ́ ètò ìlera, a dẹ̀ ń fẹ́ hospital kí wọ́n bá wa tún gbogbo àwọn ojú ọ̀nà wa ṣe.
Let me use this opportunity to charge our new Kábíyèsí that by your appointment as the onilukogun of ILUKOGUN, you have become the royal custodian of the culture and tradition of ILUKOGUN. As a Part 3 Oba, your loyalty to your ancestral home under the able leadership of Kábíyèsí Aláyélúwà Ọba Kítígbé Ooo MFR, Olu-Ilaru, and Paramount ruler of Yewa should remain unflinching. Also, for record purpose, I want to impress it on you that as a coronet Oba, your domain remains only the ILUKOGUN community, as you are not expected to extend your authority beyond the ILUKOGUN. It is not within your purview to install barrier over any settlement in your neighborhood or any other community. Most importantly, let me be swift to inform Kábíyèsí of the land grabbing prohibition law in Ogun State, which among others prohibit land grabbing and wanton allocation of land in the state for personal gains. Without due recourse to the appropriate authority, I must say that Ogun State government does not only frown at land grabbing activity, but detests involvement of any Kábíyèsí in such dastard act. In this wise, I advise our new Kábíyèsí to join in the anti-land grabbing campaign by ensuring that measures and machineries are put in place to curb land grabbing and other related criminality in your domain. It is therefore with a sense of duty and responsibility that I present to Kábíyèsí Ọba JIMOH Adele FAGBOHUN the staff of office as the onilukogun of ILUKOGUN, while also committing Alayeluwa reigns to the hand of Almighty God for good governance in the ILUKOGUN community and the state in general. Kábíyèsí kádé pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀.
Mo kí gbogbo àwa tí a wà nípa ìwé ìsìn. Mo tún fi àsìkò yìí kí gbogbo ẹbí, ará, ọ̀rẹ́ tí ẹ wá bá wa ṣe àjọyọ̀ tọjọ́ ìní. Ìwọ̀n ayọ̀ náà kò ní wọ́n ní gbogbo wa o.
I say a big thank you to the Almighty God, Almighty Allah. I say once again thanks a million to our governor, Prince Dàpọ̀ Abíọ́dún, for your good work towards the development of Igbesa Kingdom as a whole. It's with profound honor and humility that I stand before everyone today to mark the remarkable occasion of the upgrade of the stool of ILUKOGUN Igbesa. Eléyìí ò ní jẹ́ àṣemọ, a ṣe ń gbà ládùúrà pé ọba ò tí tó ní ìlú Igbesa, torí ojoojúmọ́ ni àwọn alálẹ̀ ń fi ìlọsíwájú sí ìlú Igbesa. Eléyìí ò ní jẹ́ àṣemọ ní agbára Ọlọ́run.